Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we are going into the other measurements of concentration. So for this video, we are going to have a look at the molality. Okay, so we are going to have a look at the definition of molality, and also we'll do some calculation on involving molality. Okay, so let's have a look at the definition of molality first. So the number of moles of solute, so molality is defined as the number of moles of solute per mass of solvent. Okay, so in this particular case class, it's a bit different compared to molarity, whereby molarity is mole of solute per volume of solution in liter volume of solution. However, for this one, it's involving mass. However, it is only for mass of solvent, not solution. Okay, and the mass of solvent must be in kilogram. Alright, so if we change this sentence here into formula, so what we'll get is M equals to mole of solute per mass of solvent in kilogram. Okay, so I think I've made a few feedback to some of you actually. So mungkin ada yang tulis mass, dia akan tulis M kecil. So instead of guna M kecil untuk mass, tolong kalau boleh tolong tulis full lah mass. Okay, because M kecil now merujuk kepada molality. Okay, so jangan guna M kecil untuk mass kan. M kecil sekarang ni akan merujuk kepada molality. So the unit for kita punya molality will be mole per kilogram, or boleh juga tulis molal or M kecil sahaja. Okay, so let's have a look at examples for molality. So example 1, calculate the molality of a solution containing 40 gram of KCl in 190 gram of water. So let's extract out all the information given to you in the question first. So you has been given the mass of KCl, which is the solute. Okay, so you have 40 gram. And then you also have the mass of water, which is the solvent. Okay, so now you have 190 gram dekat sini. Okay, jadi in order to solve molality, so you know that what you need is mole of solute. Okay, per volume of, no sorry, not volume but mass of solvent. Okay, so antara dua ni, yang kita dah ada is mass of solvent. However, mole of solute kita tak ada lagi. But then we already have the mass of solute. So can we look for the mole of solute? Of course, kita boleh guna untuk guna mass of solute untuk cari mole solute by using the formula N equals to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, so mass untuk kita punya solute is 40 gram. And then divide by, so molecular formula untuk kita punya ni adalah KCl, bermaksud 39.1 plus 35.5. So what you will get is I'm gonna dapat 0.5362 mole. Okay, so since you have the mole of solute already, so now you can solve your molality ni. So you can get 362 mole. Okay, but then given to you our mass of solvent is in gram, so don't forget to convert it into kilogram. So you can get 1.9 kilogram here. So what will you get for your molality ni? Bagi 0.19 sama dengan 2.82 mol per kilogram. Okay, so nak tinggal jawapan sebagai M sahaja boleh, nak tulis molal pun boleh. Okay, tapi yang kat sini mesti tunjuk untuk mol per kilogram lah. So you can leave your answer, your final answer, because this is your final answer, right? So you can leave your final answer into decimal places. Okay, however, when you are working out your solution, kamu tengah nak apa, tengah-tengah calculation tu, make sure you use at least 4 decimal places. Okay, macam yang Miss gunakan untuk kita punya number of mole kat sini, 4 decimal places. However, you can leave your answer into decimal places for the final answer, but if you want to leave your final answer as 4 decimal places pun tak ada masalah. Okay, at least 2. Right, so let's have a look at example 2 pula. Okay, so example 2, what is the molar concentration of a solution prepared by dissolving 0.3 mole of CuCl? Okay, so given to you class, CuCl, which is kita punya solute, dia dah bagi dalam bentuk mol. Okay, and then dia bagi pula mole of water. Mole of water, which is our solvent. Okay, yang ni pula dia bagi 40 mole. Okay, again, once again, you want to look for molality, so you know you need mole of solute per mass of solvent. Okay, but then kat sini yang kita dah ada is mole of solute, but we don't have the mass of solvent yet. But then, can we look for it? Yes, of course can, because we know that mole is equals to mole H2O is equals to mass bahagi dia punya molar mass. Okay, but then we are looking for the mass, right? So, Miss rearrange dulu. So, mass H2O yang kita ada is mole dia darab dengan molar mass dia. So, mole 40 and then molar mass dia is 2 plus 16. Okay, so dapat 18 kat situ. So, kita akan dapat dia punya mass is 720 gram. Okay, but then don't forget you have to convert it into kilogram bila kita nak masukkan dalam formula molality. So, kamu akan dapat 0.3 divide by 0.72. So, the molality yang kamu dapat kat sini would be 0.41, no, 42 lah. Okay, 0.4167 kalau ikut calculator. So, Miss biar ajak 0.42 mol per kilogram. Miss biar jawapan dalam 2 decimal places. Settle. Okay, right. So, last example. Okay, so last example here. So, calculate the molality of sulfuric acid solution containing 24.4 gram of sulfuric acid in 198 gram of water. So, ini sebenarnya sama je macam example 1. Okay, so keluarkan dulu info yang ada. You have your mass of solute, which is our sulfuric acid, 24.4 gram. And then we also have the mass of solvent, which is 198 gram. Okay, so in order to look for molality, we know we need mole of solute per mass of solvent. Class, please make it a habit for you to write down the formula first. Okay, so you know you need the mole of solute, so mole equals to mass per molar mass, and then 24.4 divide by apa ni, H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So 2 darab 1 tambah 32.1 tambah H2SO4, 16 times 4. So kita akan dapat 2 plus 32.1 plus 16 times 4 is equals to 24.4 divide by 98.1. Kita akan dapat mol dia bersamaan dengan 0.2487 mol. Okay, so now kita masukkan je dalam formula kita punya molality ni. Okay, and then divide by, Allah saya ingat, okay, divide by 0.198 kilogram. Don't forget to convert it. Okay, so your molality yang kamu akan dapat is 1.26 M. So I just leave it as M kat situ. Okay, just Miss nak bagi contoh yang lain lah in terms of unit dia kat situ. So kalau nak biar M kat situ pun okay jap. Okay, so now it's your turn to try this question. So try this question yang agak banyak sikit. Ada 4 soalan in total. Okay, kita ada try this 7.0. Ada 1, 2, 3, 4 in total. Okay, so for question 1, it's quite simple. It's quite straightforward. You can look for it. However, for question 2, question 3, question 4, semua akan memerlukan assumption. Okay, so make sure you write down your assumption. Kamu nak assume the volume kah, you want to assume the mass kah, but make sure you be specific mass of apa yang kamu assume tu sebenarnya. Okay, so the final answer has been given to you, so good luck. Okay, bye.